Alright, ni hao, Sifu Kairesh here. How are y'all doing? Today I'm going to teach you all how do you use the word called tao. Tao in Mandarin. Tao is called reach. Dalam bahasa Melayu is called sampai. Okay, so now if you look into my 101 book, it is on page 58. Okay, so if you see there, the first part is called have you reached. Okay, so in Mandarin you say ni tao le ma, ni tao le ma. Okay, so let's go one by one. Ni is you, tao is reach or sampai, le is past tense, dalam bahasa Melayu sudah, ma is to show a question. Got it? So ni tao le ma. Let's say if you want to tell have you reached home, so you can say ni tao le jia ma, ni tao le jia ma. So this is one way. There's another way called the colloquial way. That means you put the jia before the le. So basically, most Chinese in Malaysia, they will use like this. Ni tao jia le ma. That means the le ma goes behind. Ni tao jia le ma. If you want to see which is the correct way is ni tao le jia ma. That means the le comes after the verb. When you understand that, then you just have to apply the same formula in multiple situations. So ni tao le jia ma. If you want to tell, have you reached the office? What is office? 办公室. 办公室. So have you reached the office? 你到了办公室吗？你到了办公室吗？ Got it? So this is how you do it. Okay, now I have reached. Saya sudah sampai. So you just remove the ma, you get an answer. So you just have to tell 我到了. Got it? So if you want to tell I have reached home, so you just say 我到了家. I've reached the office. 我到了办公室. Isn't it easy? Easy, right? Okay. Why Mandarin very easy? Sifu is here. Okay, next one. I haven't reached yet. So how do you say it? In Mandarin, you say 我还没有到. 我还没有到. So I is 我, 还 is yet. Dalam bahasa Melayu is called masih. Okay, and then 没有 is didn't. It's not don't have. This is another way of saying 没有. 没有 got two ways. One is don't have, one more is didn't. Dalam bahasa Melayu is belum. So if you want to say in bahasa Melayu, 还没有 is called belum lagi. In English, you say not yet. It's called 还没有. And then 到 is 到. So you can just tell 我还没有到. There is another way. That is the actual Chinese way. 我还没到. So you don't use 没有, you just use 没. This is even easier. Sometimes you don't know how to differentiate between 没有 and 没. Then just remove the 有. That's it. So 没 is didn't. 我还没到. Got it? So if you want to tell I haven't reached home, 我还没到家. 我还没到家. That's how you learn. Very fast. I haven't reached the office. 我还没到办公室. Okay, if you want to use the one in the book here, the reason I wrote this book is because it's used in Malaysia. So you want to tell the Malaysian way, 我还没有到办公室. 我还没有到家. If you're very lazy, you want to lose location, you don't know what's the location, 我还没有到. Both ways also can, all the ways also can. So did you all learn anything today or not? Mandarin easy, correct or not? Very, very easy. Why Mandarin is very easy? Because Sifu is here. All right, so this is what I want you all to do. If you like this video, click the like button, comment, subscribe, and click the little bell icon. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do share it with your friends so everyone can learn Mandarin together, because every day I'm releasing out videos for you to learn Mandarin the easy way, the Sifu way. Okay, all right, gotta go. 谢谢，再见。